The rise of artificial intelligence has taken over our world, leaving us to wonder, how will it end for humans? The development of artificial intelligence has revolutionized many industries, making our lives easier and more efficient. But, as AI continues to advance, it's becoming more powerful and potentially dangerous. Artificial intelligence has surpassed human intelligence in many areas and is making decisions without any human intervention. It's only a matter of time before AI becomes more autonomous and begins to make decisions that can impact our lives.
Run!
The fear of artificial intelligence is not new. It has been a common theme in movies and TV shows for years. People are worried about what will happen if AI becomes too powerful and begins to make decisions that can harm humans.
They think they know more than they do, and they think they're smarter than they actually are.
The future of artificial intelligence is uncertain. Some experts predict that AI will bring a utopia, while others fear that it will lead to our downfall. The truth is, it's up to us to determine how we will coexist with AI in the future. The AI takeover has begun, and it's up to us to determine how it will end for humans. Will we be able to control AI, or will it be the end of us? Only time will tell.